Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link or button in Canva. This is super useful if you want people to click a button and go directly to your website, YouTube channel, product page, or any other link. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Go to the left-hand side and click on Text. Then click Add a text box. Type in your button text, for example, subscribe. Now you can customize it, highlight the text and increase the font size. Change the font style, for example, Poppins looks great, make it bold. Next, with the text selected, go to the top menu and click Effects. Choose Background to turn it into a button style. Now you can change the background color, red works great for subscribe, adjust the spread. Adjust the roundness to make it look like a proper button. You can also change the text color to white so it stands out better. Now your button is ready. Open a new browser tab and go to the website you want to link to. For example, go to your YouTube channel. Click on the address bar, highlight the link, right-click, and press Copy. Go back to Canva. Click on the button or image or text you want to make clickable. Right-click on it and select Link. Paste your copied URL into the box. Then click Done. That's it. Your button now has a clickable link. This part is very important. If you want the link to stay clickable, you must download the file as a PDF. Click Share in the top right corner. Click Download. Choose PDF Standard or PDF Print. If you download it as a PNG or JPEG, the link will not be clickable. Download it as a PDF, and your link will work perfectly. And that's it. That's how you add a clickable link or button in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Canva and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.